ya rona ya Facebook because I kry ba tle ba kry di notification gore o live o nagana ka ya kopa metsi tle askis Lekere go tsama Marlon go tshwana o tla bo o tsamaya a bitla ko plekeng wa borega wa bo o senya petrol ela tle o senya petrol ya dul because ha wena o itse o ya ha o bitla ko plekeng o bo bona sa go favor o so jika temo ha o nagane fo tlo ke potelela ka khwaneng ke bona go na le eng o tla bo jika so ke bona o senya petrol Itule.
Like Saturday. Saturday. No, it's Friday. I can get to the also. I could play this in a petrol.
What did I say? And then Ujikilo Mutile.
I said, it's like Miss Akrachi. I can restaurant into Gaza.
I get to get a restaurant if it.
Mimos.
Okay, bon.
Then it's a good to get hook. Let me mimosa. I just put like out like it in it. I restaurant in your work and to Ben Flay. Capsacadula Mona put like
Ya ke khale bophelo ba chef o go re Maroi o sa re le gato spend the day with me
yo
sing mame sing nna ke tlo etsa tsa ha wena o tlo etsa tsa ka wa tsaba go enjoy ya bophelo o ka bona go ntwe bifila nga se yona nna ga musi she wena te moruti a re like spend the day with me Really Saturday. Illegal. Yo, kaya shapo. Spend the day. Greetings, viewers at home. And otlo jetsa di viewers ne ntse re bua ka.
But nahana hle.
Okay. Viewers at home, before we get to the topic of the day, Dr. November, ke le fa background, lo kgone utlwisisa why ke bua enana ke bua. Pastor November. Yes, yena. Now, o tlabe a re ke kgallo tsamaya ke kgallo ya holiday. Before we would book for him, re tla be re aba re no se le ke nna ha ke batlo tsamaya ke tlo tsamaya mohlang ke nang le partner wa bona dinthonyana tseo yes now ntho etsa halang ke nana have viewers at home ha isa yetsa haholo ya hore a refuse ho tsamaya ha sa etsa haholo then what he does is Otaba are katsamaya ke a pleking and then we would become excited rona akere ke tabela hore now you are enjoying life now o tlo understand le ha re rona re na le di girls trip o tlo understand for okay they cannot miss it because o tseba monate wa ha batho ba tsamaya wa ba fine Dr. November will drive aye pleking nice na ha fihla mo a borehe viewers at home ke kopa le no le ka igoogle la sheba ha fihla mo a borehe a re founele o tlo batla di report sorry silike ntwane ke itseng le yetse ntwane ke itseng le yetse le yentse na a botse
ke batla di report tsa mosebetsi
o batla di report tsa mosebetsi o tlo qala ka mphomotseng mphe report mpheng eng auf o tle ka tshepi ka silike o tle ka tshepiso o tle ka mamjale for botse dintho ntse di le right ke re ke mo ha guys nna ke boreile he ntate mo gotisa khutla a le una le bua la tabile ke feta kae ne viewers at home fine now ra bona re okay hi enjoy let's make life nna he like ke le host ya ha o molahleke no ke bua le ene ke re ntate mo go twetse ke bone gore wa waster you are wasting money and money because o tla botsetse petrol o tla bo batla ho buka neneng o buka 2 nights o robala 1 night aba khutla le no friday o setse petrol ntate moruti mo bike nya hae and then tsa di toiletry a re wa tsama and then o feletse mimosa from mimosa aba betsa
kana ke
restaurant enye mimosa Northridge
a sa le ke ma a qeta tsela petrol ke ma fela mo
oh Northridge ke ha
ma ke bua ka fona qetile ke restaurant
yes ka o bitsa ke lele o ya restaurant en Ben's Lodge Bensflay people ke le fa background and then half etsa hoja ka palama bike a khutlela ha madula a ke la hopola o tsetse petrol now ke re mo ntate moruti why o sa deri spend a day with me nna like nna o so lovely o le ko se tsantlo tse di right motho o tsang go dilo di happenege so ke kopa viewers at home le mo advice because wa gana ne ke re a dira spend a day with me a bone for bophelo ke so se precious bophelo ke ntho monate life is a good thing ke kopa ke le 2 minutes hleng advice ntate moruti go re le no o galletso tsama hanka le blella a go ya kae le tlo fela matla
ke tse ke ya kae
lifu gaute outing ya gore ya motho na le di bike batho
wai ke bile ke tse ke re ke nana ke tsamaye ka Thursday ke e funeraleng mari Saturday ke lo tshakela mogotso wa ka Magesi ke lo dula Foslo ke lo buka Foslo ke dule
le Magesi
ba besa mollo ke a tseba no ba rekile patsi ngata
o lo dula ka ntle mo le besitse
mollo be monate
o bo khutla o bo ya lefung o bo khutla viewers at home go ba le advice ntate moruti ha ke bua tlebeng ka reng ke ngono senang maitseo la bona ke tlebe ka re ke ngwana o senang mo advice entleng ka spend a day with me
but what's about
ha ke tlo etsa tse etswang ke yena o tla into my circle and then o tla na you will enjoy no mamel ka Friday nka bentate moruti o sa ema garage nya ba ha o ema garage ngwa khutla nka be sa etsahala ntho ka be no re bua re tswa bokae re bone eng jwalo o so tshetse petrol ka o fetisisa o nkile toilet tribeke le ka butung o bo khutla
no ntse le ka butung ya bike le bike ya se ka ke kinya ka mo ba ntho ke ntse ke pakile ka tlasa carport because ne ke batla go tsamaya
ene go marwai ke pakeng go shota eng for enjoy bophelo ge
ana ke tsebe hle
ma gona le tse shota Maria shotane ha tlo go botsa yana ge kana go o nang le di partners wa enjoy go tsama maybe re tlo understand for no yena wa se enjoy ke re no o singile ka bona sa tle ke bue for go singile
why we emphasize or ke singile athlete
no ne ke re hela ke batla understand for maybe go shota eng no go sa enjoy life now ke re kana go ele ene le gore go na le partner in your life di trip no di tsama
ha ne ke na le partner
o go pela nna ke metsela wa gabe di viewers nna ke itse ka
no but a ke hopole ke mang no the relationship tsa ka ke bile bo
wa go pela mago tswa Hazel ngute pele mago go pela tswa Hazelview Hazelview
ne ke na le partner
o ka batla mo tsamaya ge wa go pela tswa Cape Town
ne ke na le partner ya
so gona le se shotang ge
but when need because on the serious note ha ne ke na le partner ne ke tsamaya sefapa
jo
no ne ke tsamaya
go pela o re phametsi o shoota kantle ya no re se le ke view ya ka outside
no ke nana ke partner ra sefapa
so go jong o shota partner
nna khone hle o tsamaya ke le one ai it's justice ai na khone hle ke nera fiai ha ke dutse restauranteng ke ba jealous ke jella batho mona ke ja tsa di couple hore ya wa ya nkile ya mobi so wa ya tshutse o sa mobi ke ba negative
ha o bona ka re ntafoleng ya no sira so re ya at least ba le balwana
ha nna khona nna ke tsebotsa ba ke le one fapa mme ke a teneya ke a boreya fapa ka nne
so
ha ke hopola ke le nthong ke le Botswana hotel ne ke robetse ho yona next to that hotel there was a club a nice and chill club ho tletse ke hopola ke ne ke le restauranteng next to that club ne ke hopola ke jotsa ntho the guy wa hotel and security ke mo jotsa grace nna ke tlo roba that guy ke re ngate o hla into South Africa ke re
o yela go tsona go roba
a re go tlo robala a re bona mo the place is busy
that's why o senya ka chelete up until
but the place is busy why was
pele mane
nna ke tse
go ga o tswa Botswana no yena o tswa Botswana ke and then wa ya Namibia wa ya ke
Namibia ne ke bukile 3 days ke robetse one night be ke gotla
and a ke ga ba o fa change
a ka tsama ka
o senya ka chelete kana ke ngwe gape o tswa senya ka chelete
Swaziland Maputo
a go re qoqele ge ka dipleke before re starta show
Maputo ne ke one le monate because ne ke jive
no jive ka
until club ne ke le club ba ke restaurant but na le bo club and when I live performance I enjoyed lo jane ke na le o se mo ene tsa tse re ne tsa tse bua English le mabedi na tsa tse English le nna
o tsa tse puo ya ga
so it was difficult
yo nkare ka le mo
English ya ka ne re mete English so na bua English e nngwe tse nna ke sa le nna ke bua ya ka English
mare ge o jo di plekeng tse wene o ka reng hela ka Botswana
next there was nothing interesting I cannot think I bua
o sa tlhotso tsa ma ka o kopa
bona nice
yo o ple na le pomtseng ke pleke reng ha re ka o yele e re go yele
nice na epilanto George what's about George
George
is a beautiful place I was there ka dula restauranteng ka ja ka utla ke borile ne ke re ke lo buka nice na I mean George ka feel or no man let me go straight to nice na I feel nice na ka lo buka ka fitla ka ja restauranteng ye ngwe bosiu then a qetile ka tsama ke lo buka back robal the following day ka khutla
o sentse ka chelete o sentse ka chelete yo ha o sa hlotse o etsa se
bare ke fiare he must travel ka di bikers club and not alone
that is a good advice serious mara ke gona le club o wela mo go yona ya di bikers ga o kopa ka di rally tsama
yes ruba ka mzo fanda relationship yo nthatsanto
viewers at home I call for all this time ha re tla re tlo etsa show we will be saying topic today this thing topic today give communication topic today I go refeng topic. What is that you want us to talk about? Ke eng lona le reng batho ba ka ga mojolo batho ba ka ga lenyalo ke eng tshwana e le face anang le yone and feel gore ha le gone ho ifita kapa it's a challenge to you kapa it's something that you don't understand ke eng. Now give us that and then rona le Dr. November Dr. November will go deeper about that or something that you need advice on. And then for those who may be bone ba batla bua direct le Dr. November, it is very much possible you can call us on these numbers. So na he wa di phonela o tla re jwetsa gore Dr. November kapa ba romele voice note. You can just say Dr. November I'm in a relationship kapa ke mo lenyalong le motho wa ka and then rona re sukudiswa ke 1, 2, 3, 4 and then Dr. November will then assist you on that. Today's show we dedicate it to you viewers. Ya ke alona yenana show here and then the numbers that you can call us on ke 0
Tsepiso ke ni TikTok e ka re ka check le di comments a teng ka re ke be ke nkile a hawe bonyane ya o Tsepiso flat.
The numbers that you can call us on is 067 095 50 are spend a daily also lovely. It's a good idea. Pastor Viva Comrade Patrick. Viva! Spend a day with Osi Lovely. Marikanto, ka khati ya gago.
Nah. But what's ma na ntwegi tutileng yona guys. So Fabon, I think there's there's something every driver somewhere. Pele, I had this thing or banna. Banna ba committed. Yeah. I had that thing or banna ba committed. Banna le di partner. Ne? Banna ba committed. But I thought you tutile something. You tutile hore. Guys, but ba singile kantle. Men and woman, John. About to singile seleke. Yo. E carry there's something. I can say look there's a spirit or there's a plan near Satan. People are single outside. And people are looking for partners. Men and
desperately so.
I'm telling you. What's about ki na lo kana di life in tsena tsa di single and mingle but ona le life e ke ratang. E ke ratang go kena ho yona haholo. Okay, sometimes o tla hore ha ke ntse ke go browser ha ke ntse browser ke tlabe before ke fitla life in yeno ke tlabe ke kene ke checkile ke fitile di life tse ding. Most TikTok ke single and mingle the life tsa teng ke single and mingle batho ba batla batho ba batla batho
yeah.
Ne? And then most about ba single I mean most ya batho ba bangata the life is in ke basadi batho ba batlang batho most of the time tla thola hore ke eng ke basadi ba ileng bona ba batlang batho wa bona ke bona batho ba batlang batho ba single guys like I step mar TikTok I step so I think somewhere somehow we are going straight to that scripture saying basadi ba supile ba tlo gomarela monna why about unyahama somewhere somehow we are going straight to that
scripture
to that scripture and go go just to read some more. You remember ke le bontsha life engwe ya batho bana ba batla ba partners
yes nate
o pula 18 le bokae
in 22 25 23 I think the highest was 35 more.
Yes.
Mare mo.
Ne le bo 25 in.
Yes.
So somebody wa mpotsa hore no, le lona le mpotsitse. Ke be ke re ho lona, ke re I think le maoba ba mpotsitse ba re but batho ba 25 they are still young. Motho 25 le today ne ke bua le Dr. Mngadi a ntjwetsa hore motho 25 years young ke re
very young for lenyalo. For lenyalo? Ha young. Ata mo tmo sa so ka itlhaloganya
se batho ba 25 years tlo go jwetsa maturity ya bana ba hona jwale tala kana ka nene ke ne ke sherela moruti Mngadi kana ko e tala ka 16 years.
I fetana ka 16.
Bana ba hona jwale maturity ya bona e qala ka 16
years.
Yes, I'm going to tell you why. O shebe bana ba hona jwale ba qala go date ka bo 16 years. Lona kana go tsa lona ne le date ka bo 25 to 30.
Yeah.
25. Kona tebele le qala ho jola. Kona le qala ho jola ka 25 years kana go tsa lona. O qala le ne le qala ka bo 25 years. 30. Ne? Even 25 years, let me say that. Ne? Now, because maturity alone, bo os ba mo 90s babo.
I think from 86 we are down there go fitlela bo 90 ke bone batho ba yes ba di age tseo bo 20 di hona motho a reng o start a relationship e nkareng e tlhapogetse
lona ne le qala nene
ka bo 18 20 moto ka bo 20 hona relationship e nkareng e nka hantle
kana go tsa lona but ka bo 25 selele now let me teach you something.
Okay.
Bana ba hona jwale ba qala ho date ka bo 15 years 16 years 17 now ha re qale 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 7 years ba se ba gadarile experience ya life.
Okay. I understand. That is why they would want to settle at a very young age.
Bona nkile ka date le ntho.
No, saibu.
Nkile ka date le ntho.
Le saibu. Impi.
Impi kai. Anda isi kwala bukai.
Sepisa anda isi ke bukai.
Sepiso 16 18. That's telling all 18 restriction of the
from 18 years ho ya kwa o right
o moholo ne yeno a go na le bukai in my entire life ne qala o date le motho monyane in my entire life ne ke qala o date le motho wa bukai
mara mo shebile ka se
wa 23 24 she was 23 24 ne ke qala nna o date le motho mokana but that was the best relationship. Hallelujah.
And that's what I get best.
That was the best.
Hey. Ke batlang kore e ka reng ka mo invite mo show ka mo pata sfahleo a tlo fa mo OCD advice.
Very matured. Very matured. Very matured. Very mature. Reasoning capacity, into emotional maturity. That lady, una feta le dimboko to tsena tsa lona.
To Hyde Guest House, situated in Lofontein, City of Roses.
How bua ka mature?
Your home.
Emotionally mature.
Okay.
Emotionally
matured.
Do you know that una le batho ba sing emotionally matured?
Ke batla go etsetse example ya ke batla o re etsetse example ya emotional matured so that people ba ba understand hore okay ha le bona le rona re iska le hore okay ha ntse ke affectwa ke ntho tse so ha ntse ke dira ke ntho tse so that means I am not yet emotionally matured.
Emotionally immature king.
Ke batla o re bolelle ha go thwe motho o emotionally mature.
Ke batla re qale mona ha o thwe motho
immature.
O immature ke motho jwang. Ke batho ba englelang dintho ka maikutlo, ke batho ba reactang ka tsela e seng right, ke batho ba sa tsebeng ho dealana le problem, ha ba tshwantse ba dealana le problem ba etsa ebe worse. Na le batho ba sa tsebeng ho dealana le problem, instead ba etsa worse problem ebe worse.
Okay.
Wa bona? And then
regardless of problem ke
it doesn't matter. It's la approach but motho approach because of the emotions or approach o latela maikutlo o araba nko ke maikutlo but ba emotionally matured they know how to answer.
Okay.
They know how to answer. But about arabang and they know how to make sure that the situation has be worse. They know but about dealing with the situation or situation this is case about worse. Okay. And most of the time but about into emotionally matured they always find solutions. They always babatla solutions.
Okay.
The problem
now how ore ba etsa hore ba etsa make sure ya gore the situation it becomes okay ba se etsa maikutlo bona ona a le jang kapa now ba kwalla maikutlo bona ba etsa wena o be right
harbaka emotionally
matured
re bua ka yona nthena hore you una le control hodima the emotions tsa hao
ke control kapa ko ba desperate for relationship
ke control actually life general besides about the relationship life in general you need to be emotionally matured. Life general ha re tlwelle dinto
the
relationship re tlwelle but re bua ka life yona batla you must be emotionally matured. Now worse the relationship kapa the manyalo you need to be emotionally matured. You need to be emotionally matured.
Okay. Let's say here is your partner and then o findile out hore o cheated.
But you know
ke batla re bue ka this emotional maturity. Ne partner ke ye o go cheatetse and then he does not want to admit that he has cheated. For you hore batho ba re o emotional matured ke o santse dile ka the whole issue jwang
Seleja ha re bua ka emotion what's somebody we entse something o ila unsharper full time kore ha ke re unsharper ke bolela hore o ila a bua something that was very powerful and very profound for me.
Okay.
Ke re ho yena ke weakness ya ka kore when motam provoke anger ya ka ya tsoa ke re ho yena nkile ka ba le problem ya anger. So that thing ya hore nkile ka ba le problem ya anger sometimes when ke kopana le motho stubborn ba provoke anger ya ka. But for that person ke re monna because le yena na provoke ile anger ya ka.
Okay.
Abare ha hona if o hlotse anger o tshwantse you must reach the stage mo ho snang to hlolang e provoke anger ya hao.
Epid.
Why keep it?
It's powerful. Got to utlwa again when. Cause kina na hloka again.
Uma
when over provoked. Mara ke ra se lo ba provoked.
Seleke ke ntse tsa galo wa se jwa.
Bo gale kana ke nene bo mo ba.
Ke mo ba le ke provoke ke.
Oh, mo ba.
Kai.
Oh, re tla bua ka ena.
Ha kai. Na re bua kai.
Mo bana re le kere ka ke gona ntse re tsa ke tla tsheta program.
Ke mosebetsing ma. Ke mosebetsing.
Oh, enga ya kgetha.
Ke mosebetsing le sile lona le mosebetsing. Le sile. Kere ke tshwantse qale le run a program le idea ke re nna ka change a program. But let's go. That person said to me, Are if you say you have overcome tabaya anger, you need to come to the stage more is about provoked.
Wow, but that's true.
Are you need to come to the stage. So, le emotionally maturity. When emotionally matured, doesn't matter the situation. You need to deal with the situation right, not the emotions. Not the emotions.
Okay.
So it means we still need to change. We still need to change. How whole? We still need to change. Including Lena, because native bill, you can imagine if I think so provoke. So if anger about provoked, it means native bill could completely. Because I need to come to that stage more even if you can provoke my anger, but it is actually about provoked. I don't know whether it makes a sense.
You are making a lot of sense.
So that is why into emotionally
matured.
Rebuaka ho handle the issue ho sa kgathalatse hore ke mofuta o jwang wa problem. Hona le bomme ba Lesotho kwana hona motho na tla ba re ntate ke kopa bua le wena. Ntate
ke kopa
bua le wena. Ke kopa dule fatshe molekano wa ka. Ke kopa re tlo dula. Ke bone ke fumane ntho so phone nya. Ke kopa understand ho etsala eng. Lona
yo
ha motho kena so rubbish tlokwana. Rubbish tlokwana. Wena tlokwana bile. Tlok.
Kinana o tla ga sa tseba nka se memela fi.
Mama
nka se memela.
Lona le etsa so monna ke yona bitsa mlodi. Monna ke na ka tlu. O so bila hey se febe o tswa kae let kapa o thotse condom o so bila keng he wana keng ya o so bila bitsa bo ma sepa inga so bila raka. Now thank you papa, we don't deal leading to ka tsela right but ba sing emotionally matured about to deal with the problem that's the right. So in short like these young ladies ke kopa le jotsa nnete guys ke santse ke ipheta bana batla ka storm mabane ne ke le life nyengwe yona ene ke reng ke rata ho kena ho yona ene ba batla Babatla ene babatla hle ene babatla stability bana ba lona le ka ba dauta ka dilemo le re ha ba so tsebe ntho ba batlang bana ba ona jwala ba hlalefihlela ba hlalefile bohloko ne babatla ha re bueng ena bo
mara wa o gatela ba bantle ntate mo go
bana ba
sai gatela ba bantle ga re
hle ke bana ba ba
yo
Like bana ba
bana ba batle
bana ba batle
ba etsa fela
ba batle go re to an extent hona le ba reng ha o sheba ngwana o butle ka ro ka free ya ngwana e se mai maro wena o le thaka ya mai
yo ndate
o kena bona tsa le moradi wa hao batho ba le interested moradi wa hao le dithaka tsa hao ba le interested moradi wa hao e seng ho wena
bana ba le bona ba gola ka
kana ba batle man
wa gatela bontle
ba batle
o ba bona kae ma
TV bo TikTok
bo Facebook
ba batle ba batle so ene ba matsho ene wa tswa ke le jetse guys ke a kwala nna ke a itloela and the sad part re bile le ma 90s ma 80s
ga ba le ma 90
re bile le ma 80s ma 80s ya kae out of the market
mara sengala hotle
ma 80s
sengala hotle
ke ma 80s ma 80s out of the market
re tla ba re
ama 80s ba phumile phuma ma 80s ama 80s a phuma
ba phumile
ama 80s a phumile kwasa ma 90s na ma 90s a phuma
bophelo
a phuma ma 90s manje kungena ma 2000
motho a re ma 80s a kae motho a re beteng re nwa dipidisi tsa masapo yo bana dipidisi tsa masapo but we are out of the market we're out I khona ma 80s
ama 80s a phumile
ba re ma 80s ba tswile fashioneng ke bo osi ba kudala
ama 80s a phuma
I
kwasa ama 90s a phuma
Hey, go for my Facebook kutla ba re yo na I refuse kama 80s and then hona lo in true okay no bana ba sa buka ya o monga ba re bosisiwe ile re being emotionally matured means being able to deal with issues and then Kathy are dealing with the issue and not a person.
Hey, Kathy, hi, Mudima mo bless.
Okay. And then refile kuchangwa arorona ma 80s repainelwa no ki mangwele. And then Tandiwe Makabazela are le rona ma 90 no ka dia opa. And then Lerato Senti are re nyetse re sidilana matheka rona ma 80s pastor. And then bare ma 80 bo osi ba khale. And then my 80 re tsonya ke di krempe hle. And then omunga re tina ma 80 re ma return.
Ama 80 ayaphuma.
Okay.
Aphumile ama 80s. Kwasa ama 90s. Ama 90s aphuma nawo. Aphumile ama 90s.
Bare ma 90 yo ai leteka. I got it. Marie,
that is why, guys, two things now. Two things.
Yes, that
yes. Bona. Guys, two things. We are going to the stage of desperation.
Okay.
We are what's my characteristic the life tadi TikTok
yes,
ne ke be ke di share batsela tadi single and mingle ba tla be ba hlaisitse these ladies ba batlang di partners ne and then ba qetile mohlomong le 6 paneleng ne
yes
o bothola re hona le 2k mo
okay
ne
okay
and then a create a request wa kena mono bore ba ba botsa wena o kene for mang
okay
ne maybe kwena silike ke mphomotseng ke mamjalefa ke mang so motho ya requesting e leng tate o tla ba tla ba mmotsa gore o kene for who
okay
motho tsantsa a choose re na ke kena for silike ngwanes hona le ba o tla thola gore ha e sa le o so about to ikenela no mona gore kwa ma 90s kwa bo 80s o mona gore ha e sa le dutse blokile panel
ke rate
mona o sio o blokile panel ena ba hana lo tloa a ba tswe paneleng
bana le hope bana le hope ai bophelo ai
I can say it, but I'm going somewhere.
Okay.
I'm going somewhere about this issue. Guys, if as a lady, utotse motho ya right, setlela. Setlela. Ke kopa you repeat, setlela. If o ka ra lenyalo, and then the issue starting, ke tseo le ka la gona ngo di handle. You know, because the problem, the situation, yes, like you want to talk about the problem is tsa manyalo. Tse ding ha se tsona tse thuba manyalo, but ke buwe ke ba rona le o hloka knowledge ho re dilana le tsona e thuba manyalo.
I 10.
Repeat.
Repeat at the model. That's very powerful. That's very powerful.
I want good.
Good handling that like good.
The problem is the challenge is samanyalo. I see the problem is okay samanyalo tse thuba lenyalo.
Yes.
But saying ke taba re fela runa one. Re etsa jwang ke tse apere ke?
Ha rena
mogwa
wa ho solvana out le di problem.
Le problem ha se problem e dangerous.
Hey,
but to fella wena as a person you are weak for this problem. That is number one. Number two, we hloka knowledge how to deal the problem. That is the only thing you're sapang. And that is why we're about to borrow. And to show that in take you banking it. That is what we're about to borrow. Otolore, Unonyet, Lignolo la fedile, got the same thing, Eolina, key experience thing, but the Nalignolo la Calia fail.
Harry to read the example. Give you a gun.
None of the folks. Kupatan Salametin Manaka, Shimanaga Murata, Bua.
Okay. Viewers at home,
but you kill him too.
That is why Karen that the that is why Karen I hear you 100%. Hore, has the problem.
Yapumbua papa, Mushimanaka. Yapumbu and give flask into him. Yo, I don't rob and tabato. Guys can alma tat. Mutati be flask. Rishitela pleke nyama emo. Guys, Rishitela pleke nyama emo. So, give me some pleke.
We are shooting live at Hide In Guest House in Cairo, Bloemfontein.
Now,
yes.
Now,
pompe papiki.
Pompa boy. Ibule. Pompe gaudim, pompa gaudim. Ah, ewena.
Kio nejo.
Oh. Onente ki pere. Nente ki rutene.
Wrong no.
Esa. Hotel la Muruti. Sharp. Hotel la Muruti. Nente ki rutene roye se jo.
Okay, you know, viewers at home, like I said, we are shooting live, really more Hide In Guest House. It is based in Bloemfontein, more Cairo. You can come for Chilasi. It's a very beautiful place. You can come for a spa massage and just for a day or relax with your loved ones or your friends. Then they will show you post their day and then you can take contact details. Now, as Ntate Murutana bua are, it's not every problem o kopanang le ono le ka mogare ga lenyalo e tla gontshang ka mo lenyalong. The problem is that when motho shebaneng le bothata o tlo thola gore you are weak for the problem and you don't even have knowledge ya ho solve out the problem. O thola re wena o face na le bothata bo gontshitse mare somebody else o tlo face na le bone yena ba sa tswe ka mogare ga lenyalo. Now ke re nna ke bopaki bo phelang. I'm a living testimony. Viewers at home.
Guys, motho na dula double story.
Sa e tlhalosa thata o tla mkutlisa botlhoko.
Double story.
Yes, viewers at home. I was married to a very handsome guy. Ooh. Go double story. Now, ntenda te moruta fetsang go bua. Ke le ga kopana le di situations. Very light situations, very light. Ke di bona no. Ha ke se ke na le knowledge ke na le di teachings tsa ga Dr. November gore but ntho e ke kopane le yone it was very light. It is something ene tshwantse e be le gore ha ya nthubela lenyalo e be le gore nna ke paka dibeke tsaka because I was married to Pretoria ka ipoela ka bese ya bosigo ikatla so. And then I have a friend of mine Dr. November wa meets and then a kopana le di problems tse ne di feta tsa me. Do you understand? I said mine were light. Because if you let's say about cheating.
But we can't see the late.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. And then saka nedisina cheating. My problems nedisina cheating. Moragatson. Now my friend Iena abat kopana le di problems se ka mogare ga lenyalo la gage. West sa gage ibile dinale cheating. I bonan Sophia ataba I create the husband go wa cheater. Now the knowledge and libu weak because right now my friend is still happily married. Omono tsamaka koloye tinya smart omotle. Now I'm back in Bloemfontein, the person who was weak and asina knowledge. Now Dr. November Buari, it is very important for those baka gare ga lenyalo le ba ba ikemiseditseng go tsena mo lenyalo equip yourself. Shebella the shows such as this, attended the seminar so that at least you gather the knowledge because the more only knowledge, the stronger you will be for the situation. Wana ko ga ikitule ene ke le batla for.
O se le batla?
No, a ke re ka le batla. Ka nna ke tlo nyalo, nna ke tlo sia. A sa emisi mautu ke ka sia. O tlo siwa ke.
Na tlo sia hla.
Yo. A sa emisi mautu dire ka speed. O dire ka speed, o gata ka speed.
But do you understand the point?
I understand.
So that is the problem. Yeah. And now here is the thing. And today, guys, social media, it doesn't build a strong people nowadays. Social media is a builder, but more strong for marriage. People who are very who strong for marriage.
Okay.
Social media is a builder basadi or baby strong. Next
baby stronger. Because social media will say, people, you need to be strong. You need to be independent. Now, how ore, haisa ba builder gore banne strong. Banne strong ya, go dula go dire.
Haisa fana ka social media I teach about ba be strong jwang. Hai fane I equip di batho or ba be strong jwang. I equip di batho ba overcome the problem tsa bona jwang. Few people mona ba rutang ka taba ya ba gona go ruta batho batho ba overcome the problem tsa bona jwang. Most social media o tla batho ba khothaletsang batho independence, be alone, you happy for yourself of first time.
Put yourself first.
To put yourself first and be happy for yourself of the matters of the Holy Land. Okay. That is why nowadays, slowly but slowly, we are going to desperation. But by that desperation,
okay,
level.
Yeah.
But banse ba atumela desperation.
Yo, ndate mo go.
Konke le jwetsa seleke ke kopa le jwetsa sephiri. Mark my words but mamele. But banse ba atumela desperation. Every day. because number one hana ke re re na le ma 1980s ba tswile marketing ra ba le ma 90s a tswile marketing re na le ma 2K no. Now the problem now most ya batho ba batlang stability le batho ba ready for commitment ke bana ba bo 25 years no. And ke bana ba batle no 23 24 25 ke bana ba batle no. Now that thing e bolela hore these people ba smart but attention e ya ho bona no. The same way ke ne ke bua ke re winter it came and kicked the summer out of the season. Summer we were enjoying summer and then winter came ya fika ya kika summer. Summer ya tswa no. Season ya summer it's gone. And in situation ke winter. Now e bolela hore le basadi bana ba sa batleng commitment just because motho and then just tell somebody go jetse king ke when batho ba rona you still look young. Yeno na thetsa batho ka sehlo because that thing you are 40, you are 35, you are 40, but you still look young. There are people who are saying you still look young. Yet or relax, or you are still in the market. But you don't see the winter that is beyond, behind you.
Yeah.
Come on, yes, you are still look young, 40 years. But the problem, yes, you are still look young, but the problem is the season that is behind you. Element 20, element 2K.
Oh. Sure. Yo. And now I understand you when you say but they need to be matured for the problems. She must be willing to work out the problem, not to walk out of the marriage.
Because now as we speak, but lonely. But people guys are single. And that singing, slowly but slowly we are going to that level of desperation. More already since started. That is why all of us are ratana leading married men. Because already it's a desperation. Because they will tell you so now slowly but slowly it's going to be official. Little ring little ring.
Okay. Viewers at home, remember we said
ring. Naibile nakala ke ba tshwetse ke re batho ba ndauta ba tlo galla ba nyatsi yaka. Ona jalo ke a tswa re batho ba ntse ba re jo ai na Dr. November nka se mo date mara le tlo ba dinyatsi tsaka bon ntshebe o tlo ba dinyatsi
mara ha o re batho tlo ba dinyatsi tsa gago o tla bo chita o tla bo le
ba tlo galla ba dinyatsi tsaka mark my words, believe me wa bona today they
are ba desperate.
Toko just I couldn't know but I don't doubt that right Dr. November hey Dr. November nna ke tswa fa social media public everything bana le excuse wait until kenyala then ha ba qetile o tlo bona mohlase ke phela le mosadi wa ka yo ke tle be ke monyetse ko bona batho ba tlo bona hore man this man is the best man, it's a good man ba tlo mpatla le tlo mpatla bona la bona ba go gae le tlo mpatla hle le tlo mpatla ene ke le jwetse no nna fula ka tlo dula mosading wa ka ameneting antseng
le wena sa bua dilo tse di yalo sa re phamela haholo
ke kopa hle ke le phamela kopa hle ke le jwetse no le andauta wait moruti November yena ke motho good mare ha o November mar mark my words bon se fapane ke ba pela ntate mo di bona ba ntse ba tlompatla le tlompatla hle ene le tlompatla se kenyetse ene ka go tse mosadi wa ka tla ba dutse ka phone ya ka e tlo dula matsweleng chest out ya mosadi wa ka chest out.
Okay, hona le motho re mbusisiwe are there is nothing wrong with being single, knowing yourself, loving yourself. The greatest love of all is loving yourself.
We love ourselves. I want to say that thing. Busisi wa win me. That thing you understand some. Busisi wa win it. Loving ourselves, you love yourself, but loneliness. There's two different things between love yourself, being void your partner.
Yeah. Yeah.
They are winning. You can love yourself, but we tata how doesn't stop tabayabu loneliness. It doesn't stop tabaya void. You need a partner. Doesn't stop. It doesn't change. And you can love yourself. Love yourself, I say it. You need a partner. Because once how? Whether you love yourself, you need a man who can help you. If you're going to need a man to help you. Love yourself. We are lonely.
Okay. Viewers at home, you remember I said today's show we are dedicating it to you. I get now you can ask us anything as a mountain in your relationship kapa your marriage. Now I have somebody here who have sent us a voice note. So now can we please listen to her voice note and then
Hello, family.
Hi, darling.
It's been a minute. But it will get one of the hand. Handle, it's like a fella that single. But I know about how married difference about the single. Corbaniers, Wakakalina about the single. I get in a loneliness, and I ever quaking Caro Manalo. There's more to it. But it's liver to single. I think it's like I kill a little Masawit. Kill single. No intimacy, no nothing.
Look at you,
single. I think it's like I kill a little Masawit.
I get some more ubile
job. Banyets Wakakalina but was single. I get in a loneliness, and I ever quaking Caro Manalo. There's more to it. But it's liver to single. I think it's like I kill a little Masawit.
Kill Mosabu Beda listening.
I get bored with Lamo transfer. I'm still praying about it. Pastor November, I Copa, Nagli Kigabo, and Nakila to Nikila Copa. Say, seminar, single and mingle. Illy life, illy imona ill, hearing. Masamaka for age restrictions. Para age 25 to 45, let's say. Kapa 25 to 55, let's say. And you know. I don't know na problem okay. Ha, la go pentlela ke na le la ka thoko ba le nna ke motho wa ipata ka ne tlo go pahle temperature and mingle a live seminar.
Body flow.
Yeah.
That is the problem about body flow.
We tried it.
Yeah.
My sister, we tried it. But bane ba re ba kopa re ba thuse bad off camera. Now ne re sena mokgo re ka o etsang off camera. Now but we will try it again because we are here to serve viewers. Yeah. Those who are interested, please sendeleng di WhatsApp, le can sendela di voice note.
But not unless maybe it's like rearrange. Maybe re etse TikTok because next week I a single and mingle TikTok nyaka maybe re tla tshwanela re etse.
Okay. Busiso o khutlile hape busiso le gole anare it is not wrong to love yourself. Are diteta inyani novi, not everything is about mujolo. Hai novi ukutata ikefu emjoleni akukho wrong.
Motho mo ila riana mpetsa manyalo le di relationship a sa di ana taba le tsona. Can I go deeper?
Okay.
Can I go deeper?
Deep.
Can I go deeper?
Deeper.
Okay. Let me help you. Most ya batho ba tsile marketing ke bona batho ba buang ba sa ba hlole ba sa kgathalla ha e sa le eno bua.
Okay. MP. So, and again neat. I want to know the license ka reng ha ke batle koloi. O re ma. E phete ntate moruti. Motantsa le mama ke.
I wish I ngamo how hona batho ba guys. Most ya batho ba reng nna lenyalo I give but once go to motaragna and tata lenyalo ha ke sana taba le tsona o mo botse age.
Okay.
Ke go ba pheta motagare a ntotsa manyalo a sana taba le tsona eng o mo botse age. Yo.
Doctor, can it happen hore motho are o single and happy at you who bua pain and disappointment?
If in la mola buile isinna o tlile re a re hona le batho ka tshotso ona mosadi e mong o re honna yena nthatsana tsa manyalo le di relationship a di nke le hlong.
Oh anana botsa a re na ha se statement wa botsa hore na can it happen gore motho a re o sharp o single and happy kanti na go bua pain ya gona
impossible 150%. But ba disappointed, but ba broken, but ba disappointed. You come to that stage whereby you rasa batla nix. I've been there. In my first divorce, kile ka chokara naxa batla nix. Ka re nna ntho tsa manyalo wa tsiba. Ne ke re ntho tsa manyalo. Ha ke ba
cause kana gono sa batle lenyalo ka re sa le ba.
Slike. Ha ke ra one person. But mamel most ya batho ba
you know honore le puo ya hore behind every successful man there's a woman ono ganana le yona go yo because ono sa batle lenyalo.
I was very negative for lenyalo.
Yes,
and ne ke feel hore ke sharp kanti it was just the pain and disappointment.
Okay.
But after that pain fell ke batla lenyalo hape.
Okay.
Yes. So I fully agree le la mola hore pain can force you to say when ntotsa manyalo o sharp ka tsona.
Okay.
That say it can from there
pain and disappointment.
Number 2, that thing it comes from the age you give up. Age can make you to give up. Age, guys. This lady Oruna, yana ntotsa manyalo le di relationship asana tabal tsona ke mutse age. How old are you? Abaruno, I'm 25 kapa 27 ka okay. If you are saying that at your age, mblelo break up when was the last time you break up a partner or last year or no, that is why. To the young ladies or young boys, how can you mutare naksa batanis kanto tsa manyalo le ka di relationship kapa di relationship o tsebe hore ke break up if ali young o tsebe
ke break up
mar to the
ho batho ba baholo
a se mutaka rena lenyalo kapa le relationship ntho tsena tsa manyalo ke I'm done. No ke age go ba baholo
Oh, okay. Okay.
Seleka
No, I understand you.
batho ba le 40 years. Ba qala ba batla focus baneng ba bona. O tla motho ke batla focus di studying tsaka, ke batla focus di Ba change focus. Ba change focus from the commitment, from the relationship, because it did not happen. And hope ya mosadi is qala ho fela hanyane from 35 to upwards. How 35 high talent? Okay, thank you. Thank you.
And then viewers at home, Rena le lona. Tshepiso tlo e share. Nense re tlhagella ga ita kere. Okay.
So age can make you to give up. Pain can make you to give up.
Okay.
Di ka etsa go give up e dintho tseno. Mara so no give up is ke pain. Give up is ke pain, o give up is ke age.
Okay. O Simonana o itse yena o na le 2 years a tswile ka hara relationship a le single. Now every time ha motho mo approach o tla ba a ba reject. Now o kopa mothuso o nahana that thing etsuwa ke fear ya ho icommita kapa etsuwa ke because yena she does get approached but ha ba dumedi.
O bitter. Relationship ya im affected. O bitter for batho ba bontate o angry. O disappointed. Kwatile.
Is it possible? Is it possible for you ho o kwatele batho ba bontate bo se aware?
Yeah, wa kwata. Nane ke kwatile o bile ke sa batlo bona paint strate. Ke sa batlo bona paint fanyewe strate me diqumba. Ha ke bona paint fanyewe strate ne ke kwata. Kutla ke sa batlo ba sa di paint tsa bona. Ra kwata. Break up ya tsarube angry. Ibile o tota o kwata motho mo le mongwe mmona e ka re o tshwana le yane.
Okay.
Kwata. No, we angry. Kwatile.
Okay.
Na it's just that ke tsebe age ya e ka ne tlo mjwetsa fall ka speed because o tlo reject le batho ba ka kgona go builda le bona ba ka kgona go qala life le bona. We become angry ke yena motho a support re ke nnete makarabo a re ke nnete re kwata.
Okay. Ke understand that taba ya ho kwata I fully understand it, but questioning ke hore I carry the lady
le motho that lady she got anger issues for real e mga ba re ke nnete novi ne le mong ke ona le yana ntsa tshojwal ke nnete re a kwata.
Okay.
Sis le mabui ba ntse ba support ba re ke nnete no re a kwata. We become angry. Disappointment ya relationship kapa ya break up it can make you to be angry. But that is also something re fall.
Okay.
We need to deal with runa re fall ka speed because the more you be angry like nna when I was angry and bitter I've lost but ba right bophelong ba ka. I've lost but ba right bophelong ba ka.
Okay. Also sending the voice note, I hope you understand. But if there is something in hurry we have missed. You understand? If we have missed, maybe if he missed your point, can you please call us and then ribue handle or you can again send a voice note. But what Ntate Muruti is saying is that 2 years in you don't want any commitment, but to batla and then baho approach, chances are that you will lose somebody who would want to build with you. Somebody I came said ho ahale lapa lwena and then o tla bontse dilemo tsona dia o ntse tswa marketing. Now fola ka speed o same and then date again. Yes. Yes. And now okay. Ntate Moruti
tap the screen
by request
and share this live.
Okay.
just a comment e fitile o na itse o na le 7 years marriage and then o sexless in 7 years are sexless meaning
I'm interested for sex.
no I ka tsile tshantse ke bona ha ngata o na itse sexless marriage
o na le 7 years lenyalong o sexless 7 years
ka manje ka hara lenyalo la hae sexy is scarce.
No, sexless.
no na tlhalosa is scarce
Oh, is scarce.
Is scarce not yene ha active no lenyalo ha lena sex le sexless lenyalo that means haba kopane
if ke ntate ya etsa ngore sex be less ka ra lenyalo ntate o etsetse ntate o yentse o nkile mosadi wa hae o mo beile mo
tray
o ntsa re ke mang ya mmatla if ke ntate a etsa ngore sex e be less ntate o nkile mosadi wa hae o ntsa re ke mang ya mmatla o beile mosadi o dima tray if ke mme ya etsa ngore sex e be less in their marriage mme yeno o nkile monna wa hae mo beile mona o ntse ke mang ya mmatlang go bona mfuna yo ke mang mmatlang once ile monna ka pele mosadi one of the things batho ba sa tsebeng gore ha ya tshwanela if into is safari ke sex.
Why? Because sex is something ya 5 minutes. Why sonte sex is ya safari something ya 5 minutes?
The 5 minutes.
Why?
5 minutes until 5 minutes. It sebetsa. It color the emotion. It looks at the emotion.
Okay.
Sex. It looks at the emotions.
Okay, but let's episode vile o shoto e makamo.
It looks at the feelings. It looks at kelelo. Sex into 5 minutes. Mar isebetsana le kelelo. It powerful kapa I weak kelelo. It can make you when monna ya rata mdavaso ya thola mdavaso. Kana kore haholo. Bontate ba thola mdavaso. Basadi ba bona ba phela hantle. Ha re tla bontate bana ba confused ba. Patri ba ka bontate ba tshwana le bo runa.
Bontate
ba tshwana le bo runa so. Bontate ba tholang mdavaso full time. Ba
pidisa basadi ba bona ha
monate. That is why if we are now the mosadi only was interested to have sex with partner ya hao wa ba linyatsi e mofang ho feta wena that man akanka dinto di benefits tsa hao
mosadi
as wife abalo di fa nyatsi di benefits bedilo jwa ke side chick wena o le mbokoto e dutsing o le nkane o robetse ka ntho kana ke ne ke robetse ka Spider-Man.
Kaba ke Superman
Superman. So basadi ba bangata today if ke mosadi ya failang monna wa hae ka sex once you fail your husband ka sex monna ha ba ithola ho side chick o tlonka le di benefits because most of the time sex goes together le di benefits.
Okay.
Le di allowance. Seleka nkukhu.
Sex is important.
It's a lady benefit. That is why lady allowance. Now, when you fail your husband, the allowance about the first side chick. That is why today, banna baba basadi baba ngata ba tshwere di card tsa electricity tsa mtlakase. Di side chick di tshwere card tsa di banka.
Okay.
Nkukhu.
You understand the handle.
The same way, if we learn that,
and we fail musadi
wa hao. Musadi wa the benefits. Musadi wa tlo dinka ba lo di fa monne monkantle. O tla mofa tsona. o lo mo fa happiness, o lo fa that man attention, o lo mo fa everything. If ile mosadi ya senang tšhelete, but make no mistake, happiness ya hao ya ka tlong o tlo isa stratong. O tlo nka happiness ya hao, a nke everything, a nke dintho, ditaile.
Okay.
A nke ditaile. A nke ditaile.
Ditaile. Okay.
A di se strato. Alo di fantatani wa strato. Wena a batla ka sa mosar of the death.
Hey, okay. But I can't that Muruti, hona le batho ba bontate ba tle ba nagana hore go tswa a ile go berekela family and bringing money into the household le taba ya hore he's a provider, it is enough. Go bo gona le mme o naganang gore go dira di tiro ya bosadi e leng bo go tlhatswa go apea, it is enough.
Dia balansuwa.
I want that. Ne ka tlo bue.
Dia balansuwa. Sneak Maliki. You as a man, you cannot be busy. Ube busy go feta your marriage. Ube busy o hlokele lenyalo la hao, o hlokele partner ya nako. Dia balansuwa. 2, dia balansuwa. Le hao ka ba mme, o ka se be busy, o hlokele monna wa hao nako, o yetseng. It doesn't matter what study you can, even if like about leading responsibility, it to them balance. Learn to balance.
Okay.
Divide dinako tsa hao. You need to know kena kwa mosebetsi, kena kwa tšhelete, kena kwa mosadi wa ka, kena kwa bana, kena kwa eng. Because if you don't do that, wa focus on mosebetsing, lenyalo le tlo safara, mosadi wa o tlo safara. And believe me, that's when now o tabotlisa tšhelete ka tlong, but o tlo tlisa tšhelete ka ra lenyalo le cold. O tlo tlisa tšhelete ka ra lenyalo le cold. Dia balance o swaka.
Okay, ntate Muruti. Geletsa tsotsetse dikeledi are sex, washing and cooking goes together. And then Kathy Motshego are yes, there must be a balance. Filo given are sex e tsamaya le pizza. Ha ke batle monna a jang strate.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, Musa khoza are multitasking. And then Malerata o bua nnete ntate Muruti, ntate le mme ba tlameha ho ba active. Ditshwanelo tsa ka ka moring jwang kapa jwang. And then Lerato Saint are you are 200% right, pastor. Balance the equation. And then tseding kitsa tsepiso tlamplela if there's anything I get. And then bare sex is very important mo lenyalong hle. And then Musa khoza sex is powerful.
Can you interpret?
Okay.
Can you interpret? Can I go deeper?
Yes, ntate.
Can I go deeper? When only constipated, how do you feel?
I'll be comfortable.
I'll be comfortable.
Yes.
I'll be settled. When only pressed,
you cannot even concentrate.
Okay. Sex. It's only toilet. The mutit.
Mo bontate.
Le basadi.
Okay. This is powerful. Okay.
Can I go deeper?
Yes, ntate.
When only the reason why uba constipated, ubusa be settled, it because uyetseditse hulo intsamantle.
Yeah.
Uyetseditse utsamaya.
Ulo release.
Ulo release. How to release? You become relieved.
Yeah.
You become relieved.
Yeah.
That is number 1. Number 2, when uqeta utshetsa, utshwere ke mo only pressed ke moruto. When uqeta uruta wetsa jong, you become relieved. The same way, if you don't come, if usa heavy sex, o tshwana le motho constipated, o tshwana le motho ya pressed. That is why tlhola ke jwetsa basadi ba bangata kere le banna ba bangata. Do you know that when you are constipated sexually, you end up only angry and bitter
and moody
because you are constipated.
Okay. Okay.
Because that is why when you phela le mosadi monna ya ratang intimacy. Monna ya ratang intimacy. I ratang abasa ithole o dula le moody because kana go gadileng o bo sa ithole o tsana la no tshwantse lo release o ya toilet.
Okay.
So you become angry oba moody ba jong. That is why batho ba tsebore that thing it tlisa ina le impacted so some it is a relief. Yes, that is why when monna a kwatile o bore baby tshwara wena
Jodeng.
Tsara bore fa o bore more fa una monna ka kwata kata mkhondo wesizo kata utawa
leka ipaka send them comment kutlo na le ring ho
until there is no camera
send them comment rutle ho bontate ba ntse ba kwata ka pantate ha mme kwatile bo motshwara na mme o ba jwang re jwetse mo or you can call us mo 067 095 5039 067 095 5039
nto no name our pastor Pudungwan ubua nnete and then boobies kimam boobies are bubbles are jo ki utlwile ne e mongare 100% ke mantsepi di mata ka bonako jona
Musa Khoza okay Musa Khoza a re ntate moruti iphuthulla leteka Thandiwe a re ibile e o hal le ha o kwatile ibile teng ha o kwatile monate wes
mabe ba ke kopa yena e bale ka Sotho ore ke ma
ke mang ba kwena
are
no
bua nnete ntate moruti ke a kwata ha ke sa ifu ke batla
wa kwata ha sa ifui a batla wa kwata.
Okay, that's how I apologize and it works for me. Ha qeta abare o batla ho order dijo tse jwang today. And then Tumelo Sesini are come on Muruti. And then bare geletsa tso tsa re no bua nnete sefapang. And then Faith mami ke mokanare sexual healing ngwaneso ke pheko.
One of the things I read kwala topic ya ke re shoro marabile nto that one of the thing e tsang gore ka tlung le the problem e di drag.
Yes,
it's when le na di problem marbele sa sex
o santse mo hela a go tenne
I'm not
ya no ke tla bela di mumu yo mo sentselela
solanga ka nto na nthe ka tswang solanga ka ba le nthe ka tswang ha qeta o tlo ba right ha le kila la
it's powerful mus
o kila o tlo apologize to your partner. Yes
kam davazo ntate motho
kana go e re baby gex baby go bontshwara le geng wa apologize wa mo
Abuti George are ke kwata hampe ke sa ithole nna
nna ke kwata re ka re ka lo thuba thaba ya Neville Hill ke tshise thaba nna ke kwata
controller yona monate shame ha o kwatile cause misifa ya ngaka
But let me tell you something, Slicky. On a serious note, it's just that people they don't know. Or that thing about rule. That is why that or le come down, le deal and the issue. It's when leka ituta ho yetsa mdavaso.
So you would say to people, they must have sex regularly. So
where there's a regular sex, there are less problem. So fapan guys, guys,
re hide in guest house.
Very beautiful, guys.
Very beautiful. Okay.
Okay, can I Google? I cannot Google fellow hide in.
Yes. Can I a viewer mo are kere o ka bona hore depression e re etsang rona re leng ko hole re phela really moody but pastor re kopa pastor a re rute ka masturbation. Ntate o dula Europe. And then mme o dula mona.
It's dangerous but ba ka yetsa bona. Ba khona yetsa.
Ba khona yetsa jwa. Eng ba khona pele eng?
Le monna.
Sex. Ba le hole.
Ale Europe e monga le mo.
Jwang ntate moruti.
Hantle.
Ke nna notla ke tla o hopotsa bue ka yone ka le ke freedom.
Ya khona hang. Tsena di nyane di etsala. Arifit. The TikTok on our strict hold our whole deep.
Yes. Viewers at home, can you please lean and ask question? We said today's show we are dedicating it to you. Ke show ya lona enana. And now if there's anything but long you are more than welcome to ask Dr. November. La bona mme o buile ka a sexless marriage, and I believe Dr. November umutusite now. Luena, you can do the very same thing because we have helped a family, but Harai mentioned you can also do that. Now the numbers that you can call us on, kapa send a voice note, is 067 095 5039 067 095 5039, and then you can come in and wabuza anything that you want us to help you with.
There is somebody abuilen something in Shokile. Polygamy is not for a man to have more wives.
It's for what?
It's for a woman to be married. There was no message.
And now mutu wa di status.
Are polygamy, it's not for a man to have
more wives.
But it's for
a
woman to be or anyal.
Oh, that's deep. Oh, no, re hlalosetsa yona. O ye ka yona.
Kile ka utlwa. Na kile ka utlwa. But I don't know bua ka yona today. But kile ka utlwa ke throwela fela but ke net. And we are going there like. Guys, ke re jotse sephiri. Se fapang sa ntate modimo, we are going there. We are going there. Number one, we are going to the stage sa desperation. Desperation is to force or redumele polygamy. Una le motho a reng ke net. O a re tlhalosa.
Yes.
Ke monga dumela is deep.
Yeah, it's very deep. I think batla, I don't know if maybe today o tlo khona ho itashanyana hanyane kapa re bele some other time.
Okay. Na hana qata mamela that video.
Yes.
What came to my mind kore ona bua net motho because ni bua ke mosadi. Are polygamy is not for a man to have
more wives, but for a woman to be married.
Because I can have more wives can take sigara polygamy through cheating.
Money. So to polygamy is for banna. Where's my religion? Hey, money. Okay.
Why you doing?
Yo, now that you are mentioning it, it's starting to make sense.
I'm telling you,
Because you can still have that life away batlang o sa formalizer o sa it's illegal.
Already banna they are able to have more wives without polygamy. Now the problem kore but ba lwana le polygamy ke bana ba hlokang lenyalo.
Hey,
I can have you sleeping ka unyana qetile be ke ba le more wives. Can I go deeper? Solomon had 700 wives and 300 concubines. Dinyati. It means Solomon had 1,000 wives.
Hey.
Now, dinyati tena, these concubines in le basadi. Bao huno ho shota fela or ba kene officially ba nyalwe jole ka bana ba nyetswe
mare ba ntse ba sanyala Solomon na kgona etsa everything a etsang liba ba nyetse. Now come on for them to be part, it was not for the benefit of Solomon.
It was a benefit for them.
Oh, religious show. Show. No, that the muguti man religious show. Yo. Kona mtaring kiniti hlenovi. Okay. No, yo.
Can I go deep?
Yo. Okay.
If I'm married.
Yes.
If I'm married to my wife, begita when I propose linyalo when kere ke batla be in my polygamy. I get it.
When
polygamy doesn't work for me. It's working for you.
Yes.
Because you are going to be officially so also part. You're not going to be a side chick. But nowadays, but something, can I go deeper?
Are true. Now already I'm open for polygamy. Yo, how you can say that again, my sister? You can say that again, yo.
Ujwang.
That ready ra show ke tla bontsha.
Sliko jealous.
A ke khone bula ka tla mo bula bo. O bon. A ke khone mo bula.
So, but now here's the thing. Lona basadi ba sa nyalwang. Ke lona ba tla utla montara I will never go for polygamy.
Yeah.
I will understand when polygamy a hanwa ke mosadi ya ka ra lenyalo. I understand. But the sad part, but polygamy, I mean, let's say I have a wife, they propose a polygamy when simple and matric. The benefits, Ngadi tola maruwe ku keep all the side chick. Marbegi tola the benefits a wife way. What's a bizarre?
Yo.
Amarsli ke utlwa ntwena.
Hey man, e khotside. Powerful that the
Maru utlwa ntwena guys.
Because you having me and then you can get the benefits thy wife.
Already get it all.
Hey, because I'm with you.
Unalinga, but not officially so. Now
Ilimita na benefits.
Ilimita wena ube officially wife yakhe.
Eh.
Basarana kutlile amkutla ma. Morao mono le amkutla. Morao mono le amkutla. Ha. Mutaru novi urimar.
Hey. Yo. Ipita ha re tle ka yone stadag. E kotsi ntwe.
Okay.
You know why? Because the very same people that have to benefit from polygamy are the very same people by hloileng and bands by ikana never.
Nalaba saybaring now will never be in a polygamy. But aba qetila ba ba ratana le monna motho. O bo bapala di duties. Tsa wife. Sex every day. You are loyal to me. You cook for me. But no na li excess pay. I mean no na di say chicks pay. O tolo ribile I go and eat sometimes you bring food for me. Sometimes ibile one twosa financially.
Yes, I give you money, you go and help inside the house.
So it means you are a wife. But the official no, now will never do that. But you are already.
Ke di emetse phakamela a re le nna ke ready sefapano. Filo given a go ready sefapano for polygamy. And then Faithy mami ke mokena a re ra utlwa. And then DK mokena wa tseba nna ha esale go mamela ke utlwa ke se ke rata polygamy. Ke nna ke rata ka short nka kena ka short. And then Tandiwe are rather polygamy than ho ba sefahliwe. Okay. Bomme jole musba makatsa tsatsing le jole re dumelana kaofela polygamy hantle. Aga dumela ma comrade. I polygamy ki yon. Then only feel given a polygamy. Mare ho sebetsuwa jwang ha re fihla ka moreng?
Le tidina ko fela jole ka le sebetsa ka bunyatsi. Agree how le nyatsi ka o le sa itshiki ya ke a tseba re today ke tlo kopana le mosadi wa ka then le wena tla bona ho sane o sa itshiki wa tseba re ke tlo tla o sane. E sebetsa jwalo. Matlik. E monga le tabo are nna le gale tle and then ke bang Masilo abar I rather stay single and then among abar Pastor November really you have explained it very what? Yeah.
Oh, very powerful. It's true. And then among Masilo I'd rather stay single. Letabare nakere le khale. Lepse are after eba side cheeks. And then at class are basadi maemo a bona ga ba tsibi o masadi maemo a bona ga ba tsibi. And then G wene kapa gwene are re dumela hantle ho ba re kgathetse. And then Jeff lehlo are novu o bua nnete ba tshaba nnete.
Let me tell you something because dingata tsanto tlo just the reality of the truth. Whether hey guys mamelantwe.
Okay?
Can I go deeper?
Deep. Even if it's a computer go deeper.
Can I go deeper, guys?
Deep.
Whether I come as a husband to you, or I come as a boyfriend. The main thing alien need, or the only thing that you need is a man.
Whether utla jwang.
Utla is a girlfriend, I mean a boyfriend, or as a husband. But you need you need a man. Now it just that basadi ba decide or banaba mata ilijon, but the reality of the truth, it's like Runa. The only thing that I need is a woman. I need a woman. Kishoka mosadi.
Yes.
Buphilo ba ka bo ntloka
mosadi.
Le lona le basadi le hloka mon. You need a man. But the only thing a different fela ko wena o hloka monna ibe boyfriend. We're not the girlfriend. But the reality guru, let's go and check what is the role ya monna to the woman. Sex, that is number one.
Yes.
Basadi ba hloka banna for sex. That is number one. Two, stability kapa utuso.
Yeah.
Ne? Now, how hona mo ifapane nteng gore o munga ile monna kapa munga ile boyfriend. But oksala ko runkile monna. ntho eno e hloka fela ke monna.
Ke male.
You need a male. You need a man. You need somebody to bua le ena. You need somebody to mo jwetsa gore baby koloi ya ka e robile. You need somebody to mo jwetsa gore koloi ya ka e etsa something. You need somebody to mo jwetsa gore baby and you need men. There was a time when kileng ka bona mo thokong somebody ba bua ka gore nako ena ya winter e bohloko ka nako eo o le mosadi o tshwanela lo reka gas. O tshwanela o laisha gas ka mo koloing, o tshwanela lo itheola koloing, o tshwanela lo connecta, o tshwanela o lo connecta heatereng, o tshwanela o nyolwa ka yona o itheola koloing. Kona tla bona lo.
It is not good to be single.
Now, it's the reality of the truth, guys. The only thing the only thing you need a man who's responsible.
Yeah.
Now, whether Mutola a man, a husband, kapa a boyfriend, but you need a man. Basari ba hloka banna. That's all. The only thing ever yet somebody said they want to do this thing, it be complicated.
Yes,
because you can say, nah, I'd rather be alone. You can make that decision over alone. Munna.
Yes.
Then bekiba munna wa hao. But I beku cheater still. You are still in a polygamy. Nga ukinya polygamy. Unzo say rat beku kinya uyon.
Ya no batla decision ha se yona.
Ha se lona ba tsang decision.
Ya go whether
you want the polygamy or you don't want. Decision it lies to me. It lies to me as a man. Because nga ukinya polygamy. Una ba sadi ba ka ra polygamy but it's just that atsi. Maruka ra polygamy. That is ona le nako monna hao a le siko. Ona la go monna wa hao a tsamaile ona nako. You are in a polygamy but it's just that it's not official because wena o batlo tsi ba nnete. It's there, it's happening.
Yeah. DK Mokwana re ko rolela gaibana no vitle ke hloka monna.
O hloka monna.
Yeah. And Faith Mamiki it's a fact a woman needs a man whether ya Mr. or Mrs. know it all.
Untakela scripture sans Isaiah chapter 4 kima
Bo independent women, whether we like it or not, we cannot survive without a man.
Mamaka, how are we independent?
We cannot survive.
No, you're right. You're right, Musadium.
Aga hase banna ba bangata ba tlanang le nnete ska moruti. Sugar and spice lovinovi. Okay, hona le bantse ba re nna I'd rather stay single kinana ki before o tlalosa gore the decision is not theirs. Later ba ga ba batli step the decision lies with them.
When you don't want a polygamy, you rather be alone. It is not like you want to be alone, but you say o batla ba le monna ile ngwa hao. But the question gore ke monga ka ile ngwa hao. Because akana I can nka nyala na lwana be re babedi.
Yeah.
But I still in there. Bekele ka ra polygamy. And then beko kinya le yona marose away. Ha qetile be ke divide dinako. Be go fana ko ya hao neneng ha kiyo ka tlung ke potile ho mosadi ya monyane neneng ha kiyo. Ndo basadi ba ntse taba polygamy it doesn't rely to basadi. When or why batla ka pa e batli ha se wena tlo etsa that decision ke monna because nka yetsa officially kapa nka yetsa
ke sa tsebe
when nka o kinya polygamy officially let's say you are my wife
yes
you are saying you don't want polygamy I see where not going to decide now because we're not gonna be batli but nna be go kinya o yona batho se aware be go kinya ka ra polygamy ona le basadi ba ka ra polygamy
ha shinda te moruti
le tots e tlo first le ka ba tlo kwa nfeli le na le maikimo le no kinya guys
okay I get like sheba when that time comes yes.
Isaiah chapter 4 verse 1
Verse 1
yes. Isaiah chapter 4 verse 1
When that time comes,
7
women
ke go ba itoloka ke tsa ba bang ba lona le ruta le tshwana le nna ha nako ye re se fihlile basadi ba supileng
will grab hold of one man.
ba tla itshwarella ka monna, but they will grab
hold of one man,
not husband.
Money. How to husband
they will
okay, will grab hold.
They will grab hold
of one man.
One, not one husband. Because husband. Because they don't need husband. But need a man. They need man. But it's horrible.
Okay, when that time comes, 7 women will grab hold of one man. And say, yes.
Okay.
And say, we can feed and clothe ourselves, but please let us say you are our husband, so that we won't have to endure the shame of being unmarried.
Ba di wife. Ba di wife no. Ba re ke kopa nna ke be wife and be husband because ke hloka monna. I need a man. So please ke kopa be ke be wife we not be husband because the only thing that I need is man. I need a man. Na ke tsibile nkutlo. Na le gore ke a le corrupt. O batla ka translation eo?
Ne ke batla ke
go rena teng. A go batla ka eng ngwana go gae? A go batla bile ene ya tshepiso. Ha ke tse ke chapter 4 se ke batla eng?
Ke tshintse fela dinto.
Chapter 4 verse 1.
Kotsi.
Ibale.
In that day, so few men will be left.
Hey!
That 7 women. NLT on it la Joanna. In that day, so few men will be left. That 7 women will fight for each man, saying, let us all marry you. We will provide our own food and clothing. Only let us take your name, so we won't be mocked as old maids.
Ama 80s aphumile. Mama 90s aphumile. iBhayibheli ithi bazobuya bathi sicela ukungena nje sibe zinkosikazi. Ngikubhokela leli. Ikelo iBhayibheli. Enesilike like it or not. Ene mosadi ya tlore nna ke a tswa lenyalo la ka because of polygamy. You are just wasting your time because o tlo tsana o tlo just ka jardinya o botselela ka jardin ye nngwe e nang le the same thing yo e balileng ka mo because o tlo balela monne basadi ba tlo re nna ke a tswa o senya nako ya because totally ya tlo o ntolo kena motho ya ntse la tlo yetsa polygamy because banna ba tlo yetsa polygamy in 5 years to come. Mama 90s aphumile. And Barry, we've got our own things. And they check out today. Basadi ba ona they've got everything. Basadi ba lonely today. Basadi ba batlang banna. Hase basadi ba sna mix. Ki basadi ba nang le everything. They've got their own cars, their own houses, own money. And the Bible is so we've got everything, but we need men.
ka itshaba eo hai yo Tshepiso ha dulisege ke phone ya gagwe
Snake wena o tswa bala English bala mo uthi
and we work and buy things for ourselves already.
Last step untse ke serata.
Ene ke imazitse wena.
Ne go tsos last step untse ke serata. Le no se fapa. Le no last step untse ke serata. Sele ke ifinga thola basadi ba ithu. Ka osane. Kapa ka re Lesotho ka lata. Ka kopanya le mo ka nyala le osane. Nna ka nyala basadi ba ithu. Na se buya se batla with all my heart so se give up it ha ne ntse ke re ke a stlwela ne ke le khothatsa ne ke le tsa ntlo re se ke la ba bohloko ba tsana bophelo ba ka ke ba le
fika go do it for o role model le ke wa reti
kampara
nkampa ntate ba go rata ntate mo go utla ke reng o batho ba go rata ntate mo tao se tseya ba tlo go se tseya tla re tenegela
ba ntse ba seile marija sa tse ke sa samsa qala ba seile tla batho ba lona banna ba lona ba ka rastep ha se nna ba kinyang ka rason ba se ba le ka rason
good. Viewers at home, we are about to close the show. Yani ke bona re kwala ka the highest note ever. Rona ntse re thabile re re mohlanka
a sa
batla step today a go o se rata ka pelo ga gala yotlhe people at home I don't know
o tla mosadi ra re a re le nna ka se batla ene ke batla ba mosadi a monnyane
yewe
ne ke o ke
le nna ka se batla ene ke batla ba mosadi a monnyane sho ba
tsendire
ke tsere pastor o na le zaka na o mong a I wanna be Novi when I grow up ba go batla ya Lesotho o mong a ntate moruti bathong
ana se buka serata
comment ere ntate moruti late ke seleke ke ukwe
ke mo ha ke no mohlaisi ka ke mmona fela rena mohlaisi ha rena mohlaisi ha rena mohlaisi Jesus seleke seleke bona dislate hai what TikTok seleke bona dislate a o swa ka hle bona o tsena nkaya le ho sane nkaya a kribile ntse ke
batla trip
ntse ke batla go tsamaya a o swa ka wena qeta go romela photo no kapa le kene ntho profile ya hae yes nkaya le ho sane
o beile cousin ya gaga
a ke
what if ke cousin ya gaga
seleke ska tlisa discouragement
viewers at home nako go phoka la show because I get a decide lo kwala
ke se batla with all my heart ke se batla step ke se batla wa bona ntho
go go bua ka life ya gago
wa bona ntho lebo le tsatsing le ntse ke mo respect lebo ntse ke mo respect with all my heart because lebo was willing to care for step nna sa mind and ntse ke se batla yona ke se batla step for pam I can only imagine wa bona itse ke bona couple yang e ke bile on TikTok I mean Facebook a ke hlanya ke re just ka re ke a bona yo signal virgin ka sona sometimes ke share ke re nale mo mosadi a tlo re tshakela o tlo re tshakela le mamngani kapa mamkhulu re fika re dulang ka fela kapa le tla le bana le tla le bana kaofela ha le qetile re braya ho ba monate nako tse ding le nka khumbi ka trailer le laisha bana ba lona le bukile ne gale ke di bukela le bo 22 gale ke ba bukela Durban batho ba gale ke ba bukela Durban ba le 22 ke ba tshelle ke ba fe 22 seaters ke tshelle petrol
o patala accommodation
ke patala accommodation nka tlola ke basadi ba bedi le bana ai guys
la o ka tima
ha qetile lona be le tsamaya le ikela mo le basadi ba ka ba ikela Durban kapa Cape Town kapa wherever nna be ke tla ka bike ke tlo le bona ha le qetile ha ke roba le lona
oh my Karashima like one and then viewers at home you can see it sure oh mara itse mara bophelo mpanela bo gana go wa dilo tse di monate mara
ke na le tumelo ke bone ntwentle
he bana
tsebiso motho eno hle mona ana ke na le vision hle nana khumbiane ba se basadi ba ka bankile khumbile bana ba hula trailer baby ra tsamaya bye guys bye mwa aba qotile ba itsamaya
yo oh hlena
ke bana ba iketse Durban kapa ba Cape Town then nna ke tlotla ka bike ka fihla tlo bona guys ne ke tlo le bona fa
viewers at home la modumela ntate mrute a seleke mara
go etse mohlala let's try it ha re fela batho ba ka tryang kapa ba se batla
ne ke re ya
ba re fela yes not for nna kapa motho re fela
motho reng ntate mruti I'm willing to try step ha re o se try le yena but we just
go ba ka salin
viewers at home also lene we heard she wants to try it with Dr. November. We respect that, and then re lo mo checkela re tla
na se ke na le a reng yes o teng
okay viewers at home please comment and let us know hore na
mo ala tate mruti ska re gadisa ntho tse mona twa utla le na wasgala
yes ha re boneng tsenang
ye mona re yes
joy
ile mona re le yana o nyaka ba bararo mara ne ke batla bomme ba reng bona ba ka kena stepong
yes
ke le bontsho re guys batho ba se ba le ready for polygamy ke batla le bontsha fela re people already ba se ba le ready for polygamy nowadays ke go ba fela ba kena ba reng yes
tsenang hela people at home viewers at home just say yes okay maybe babam ba sa tsana mo Facebook just say yes on sendele WhatsApp di number tsa 067 095 5039 067 095 5039
na TikTok we want fela it's a nope emare not truly speaking ke batla step in kinte striker
ke batla step strike yes okay ka motho mo dumelana le
mo are yes mruti ke kopa umpatlise to hle ke a kopa hona le motho ba batla step ke ntate and then le mo are ke a se batla ke yes
motho are but truly speaking there is no man who have one partner. We all have assistants. Every car has a spare wheel. The good part is that men can play their cards very good.
Ntate, you make it sound. You make it what?
You make it sound easy, so easy. It's a yes for me.
Her batho bana ke lo ba sheba ba mara ke
a ke ga o tlo khona ke thabile
ye me ke tlo ba sheba hle bana ne ke tlo ba sheba le mo yebo yes ke a se batla ke me
viewers at home okay ke na le yes and then ke go pakisa ka bala mabitso a bona
yes
and then a re kutla se ke se batla ka nnete, and then o mong a re yes nna ke batla wena.
Ha e ba le ready nna nka ya
hey utla o mong a re nna I suggested that to my husband.
Yeah!
Hey.
Balahle,
I suggested that to my husband. Ke batla ho bona hore o eme kae. O re yena o shapo ka nna a re o tshaba ho nka sitho ntho. O nka aka sitho le ntho a itholang ho nna ha ka nka mosadi wa bobedi.
Mpa fela una le mothape a reng no viki batla wena ntate. A ku ngugule tsepisa ke le ba ngugule hle.
Bona show business ba ba. Ba ba buise no.
Le ke kana hle bona le etse jolo hle bang. Ma se fapon bon. Na guys bona na if ngathola step.
Ke ready my darling. Khona lo bitsa my darling. A re ke ready my darling.
Check us like man.
Yo, hatle is as fatlo, but the body is body.
Jesus.
Ha ke rate show ye fanda. Ha ke rate. O mong a re ke nnete ke utlwa ke se batla ke ready moruti. Ish.
Torgwala.
Retan John viewer said Hi show ya today le kwala ka hi no tuman lona hi yo Morena
Sileke ba fe di number batho ba reng ba batla step re lo bua le bona.
Okay. All the people that are saying Bone they are ready for Sitepu, the numbers that you can call us on is 067 095 5039. 067 095 5039.
I saw comments here my partner.
Facebook. Joe Rematate.
Motaru body comments ya partner ya Facebook. Hi. Say ke ba fe number. Guys, bona I am not joking. Nah, I am not joking.
Yes.
If ngathola step. Se fapan bon. Le bekeng e tla nna nkanyala.
Okay, Susan. Okay, Susan Kokopa kibitsela high course ene o different. I am there already. I am mamncane and I'm enjoying it.
Susan ka rumela WhatsApp. A voice note ka par phone.
Susan, can you please call us Modi Nambenze, please my sister, can you just call us mo 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. Please call us.
Tebiso seka comment last class man. We check a fair. Ona le motho a reng o sa rometse ka ba kintate o wa di number kintate le no ba tla step
a re tla mothusa
o bona se padile single and mingle le ntate mo sa rometse number
let's join
bonta thank you man bonta te bantse ba emetsi bonta te ba batla step ke bana ba romela di number
bommetleng itukise bonta te bana
bona ntate mo nkena le na qata romela number
Tshepiso di save hle dinke dinke ke re tlo ba founela re bue le bona bonta te bao re tlo dira single and mingle so that we have their numbers.
Okay, screenshot fela Tshepi re ska ra sokola
I agree, we will call them re tlo ba le bo mme ba tle ba rometse, then we'll call them and have that single and mingle. Let's join.
Bona bonta te ke bana ba tlo romela di number la bona ke le jetse ke re bontate ba batla step
sure
la bona bontate ba batla step
so
what is the use how ntloela nna o boya step says hey guys TikTok aga battery tlo fleta ene ke sile chachara le na chachara re ka dimela chachara butwaka
chachara ya ka teng
I tlo fitla yes guys and until re sukutse kana last time e check a percentage guy ke 12
tlo no dire mo
ebe pela stand sana bo tlosa lelomo ebe stand sana santo guys le tsware le tlo be phone ho le nyana fela ya TikTok ba tsolanka le rutlo ebe mroman papa tlosa lo mohle mona e tlo tima nthwena ha e ka tima tlo stadisa fatsi e tlo re sukudisa kinya tshara solanka
yo
iska team
re hlalla re le hole ne
ishene re hlala re le hole
ba tlo izama tlosa tafole once
ke bilane telele extension e a e telele nda a inyulle
sadilas la ka tsheshilisa ntho bikinyana okay
guys le re tshwarele re tlo ba holenyana but because phone ba tla o fleta
ya shasha ka ya we shebile
divorce
khona lo
a
re
divorce ha fule ya jwale
ya ha fulega no
batho ba tseba nnete
I always thought I'm crazy ka ho rata step ati hanti re kaofela shwato
I know guys that's what panic ya se batla I know guys ke ya se batla and I'm ready I'm ready now not tomorrow not next week
now
I'm ready now so far pamba
okay
ba sentse bankana linkalo jong na mna so ke so ka
thola alona mari
linkalo jong so ya ka nna so ka ke thola
je ka re mari sure ka ba re ba request but ka ba re tla etsa la ile neng re ka se re ba request re ka se qeti
mari ba ba be di fa ba ba be
ene le skena re le bala hore le kopantshitswe ke go
tshotse di ratang ke tsene ko bolela ka tsona sentse ke bua ke re
ke mo sure yo wa blush requesting re metselone
mo la ka ba thiki for
mamngadi
ba tswadi o tsa bana ba ka dumela nka ya
ha re leke re ipuisela go tlo batla re viewers at home Luna leads Temo viewers at home ke le rata thata hle I love you so much and we are not closing the show because
seleke so kwala
a ke ga ba request
a ke re ke batla bona le mong a nkere ke no fole ke
drop yo motho a itse ke
guys na ne ke re a ke re batho ba ngwetse ba re basa
ba se ba
nkana mon sele ba se ba santse ba data
lona le etsa jwang
control jwang nna monga
kanti
ke soka ke thola
why ba rata motho because
control jwang mar
ba lata yene
control service ke satano
yena o innocent bontate ba molata bomme ba lata
control service ke satano show
ya control sa etsa jwang lo hle viewers at home you're not reading from now Facebook I don't see you saying
motor inbox ya ka ya phuphuma
jo o mong ai re ready hle o silike when no wena o wa rona
ke batla 2 fela yo ba ntho tse ngata nna ke batla ntho tsa tlo ikgona 2 fela
Joey Bare o tlo se thola ho bua nnete ntate moruti o na le di qualities tse ngata tse basadi ba di batlang Yo and that moruti o tla nna teng mo bathong ba single and mingle
nna ke batla tlo sokola ke batla ntho tsana tse bo single and mingle di a sokodisa nna ke batla motho a reng ke ready
ke kopa ke bapadise voice note
molweni pastor awukhumbuli sise Kayla kwishow ndihamba noSebi ngo-2022 ndikuxelela into yoba akho ndimnandi njengokutshatela esithenjini mna ndanditshatela esithenjini ndicinga uba niyakhumbula ngoba sasisonke kule show leyo
yes ubuya neti are yanona nyeletse
Tepu yes
yeah ubuya neti ke mo
ubuya neti viewers at home kenanhle please
motho re nna ke le bogadiso this life ke tla bua ka testimony
bathong o mong a re inbox e nqakile qa o shoba molatile le
ha la tu
viewers at home re kwala show ne ke nane people will request
mongwe re nna ke rata bana le tiri tse putswa
yo
ene ke nna eo ke nna ye imarsne ke tlo bona
ke sentse ke le mamncane nna okay o mamncane wa mangel o mamncane wa mang umamncane wa mang a rene se le mamncane class umamncane wa mang tabatse mo lona betse jwa
ere a re hlalosetse hore ke mamncane wa motho kapa e tla direct to the host
motho a qetang ho romela taba ho wena o mamncane wa mang o mamncane wa motho
ntho tse bitse mona tse bitse go monitor a go ba modern tse bitse ona le motho tse bitse doctor ke a o batla tse bitse
mamncane o mamncane wa manskat o mamncane wa ntate moruti kapa o mamncane o so le stepung he aga batle sweetie
ana guys naga ka tshola sefapano ke chaisitse
yo o mong a re yo ba mathetse inboxeng yame
wa sure la bona ke le khona
and then one no vihle
wa mante fela re bua le yena la sa re a sa hlae wa mante ke buele na fela ka call
sweetie can I WhatsApp call you now
if you don't mind
ka WhatsApp fela hello ha o tlo etsa just to say hello rutlwe fela
wa mind na
wa mind sweetie araba miskat ke tlo kwala show araba ka speed
le go tata tso kwala show ka nna ku so yena le matla
sweetie, can we what type can we call you fella and then oh my ratla utla fela ha hello fella utla are ke ipatlela moruti nna ke tlo tshwara tedu tseo
re batla call
go phone can we call you ona le motho o botsang hore inbox ke efeng maybe batla ho inbox
le mongare ke na inbox ndate doctor nna ke nyala Ana ke a nyalwa jwale.
Inboxing effing motho wa botsa mo and ke nana maybe o batla sweetie ntirele
ba robe disclaimer.
Shasa bona motho o botsang ka inbox ke tsena ya nyano mo ge. Hey.
Selekara ke yana. A re kwale ngwaneso.
Ka kwala. Viewers at home re kwala show.
But na guys, mantswa ka qetela ke hore whether we like it or not, le fihlile na ka step, le rata ka pala rata. E fihlile. And lo go jetsa, wa bona thane ke rutileng ka nao ka bo madimabe. Ha se ba sa di batlo decide ngore step ba se batla ka pa jwa.
Yeah.
Ke hore fela sona batho ba tlo ke. E mare ke tlo nyadiso ko yena nofi.
Ba re show ena e matla o ska wa kwala lerato hle ho kotsi ho dubele today. And then ba re Marino vukile wa ipona hore o yetsa fela. That's my question. What is go yetsa fela mara mo listening?
Atrana modimo mpoloketse mosadi basadi ba ka ba ithu.
Sa dira step.
Sleek. What's up bothata gore a ke batlo fihla stepung se because ntse re tlo ya ho sona. So a ke batlo fihla late ho sona because re ya yang ka ofela rona.
Oh, but Lotlondo see it's like no. Viewers at home, Rakwalang here. I'm just giving you the last 2 minutes. Then but thank you so much. Like you have made this show. You know, when it's a show,
it's not a joke, guys.
Yeah.
Not about step. It's not a joke. I'm not joking. It's not a joke. No, but it was not like access battle. But on a thrust no to good like if battle chincha. But the case is beat, can it beat at all?
Nah. Oh, go college.
Bupilar Mam Kulikiman. No, I saw beating. I saw Mam Cool.
Yo, barasi like wa sabe Mam Cool wa hano. Na batu yo na hana. Sure. I got me to go range.
Tando, I think ikabanto emunati jwang. Akitse bubulela eng. Kapala araba sambon.
Viewers at home, in 20 seconds, I'll be closing the show, Joale. And then for all those barring, they want to be part of the single and mingle. Ke kopa le phone di phone tsa 067 095 5039. Bare I just saw my pastor comment or yo lefatsi mar.
Lefatsi le fedile. Are all lefatsi. I just saw
my
pastor comments. Or yo lefatsi mar. Le baruti ba se rata step. Even pastors ba se rata step. But doctrine ya rona ke yona fela condition thing.
Okay. Viewers at home, you can call right now. Kapa after the show for those ones ba botsa hore na ba phone neng for taba ya step le ka re phone le after the show. Now the number that you can call us on is 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. 39. You can call us Mohe, and then we will talk and have that single and mingle thing. The numbers that you can call. Oh yeah, personal.
We be trying to come mates.
073202.
Next to me, well,
Okay, the other numbers, viewers at home, that you can call us on. So hey, little boy directly Pastor November ki 073 202 9079. Ke kopa dipeta sa o qetela. 073 2029079. Your phone.
Not now.
Safuna Nochena, viewers at home, you can call us after the show. That is the number that you can call us on. Okay. Please, you can call us on that numbers. 067
Prophet Mama Ari.
Ndata November ubua nnete hle. Joey. Omong abare hi Novi. Bare Novi for the president. Chu. Tsatso ubua nnete mo. Ntse ke phone how Arabi. Okay, the lady on the phone because right now we are still on the show. Please call us or after the show. Then you can call Dr. November and then he will answer your phone. People, viewers at home, the numbers that you can call us on is 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. You will speak directly to Dr. November. 073 202 9079 073 202 9079. Likari phonela mo. And then I see people bansebari Dr. Kiwaka. Oh, Dr. Kiwaka Limonsin. Babari lol hantle jena. And then hona le batho ba dumellanang le motho a reng Dr. Kiwaka Limonsin. And then those bansebari, they are trying to call. Can you please call after the show? Now, people, you have asked for this. You have asked for show yena ya ha omulahle king to have a single and mingle. Now we are going to do that. And please, let's say as much as this, it's a live dating show. Rieta online. It's an online live dating show. Now, if later le batla stepu, re tlo setsa ka yona tsela ena. We are going to be live. But thank you very much, viewers at home, hore ebe libile part of this show. Yes.
Na mantswa ka qetela kore. Guys, tela tsa manyalo le nahana hore le tlo thola banna ba
something better outside.
Something better. Skela tla di relationship tsa lo. Yo, skela tla manyalo a lona le nahana hore le lo thola ntwe betere. Kantle awusana next ebitir kantle ka mona somebody chelo jwala there is nothing better outside. So now guys, if linyalo lao le right monna how asa tlo safarisa asa safarisi linyalo lao patale al khona. Why not? If abatla step.
Yes.
And then le bontate but communicate le basadi ba bona, because cheating le yona is not right. Bontate le bona ba communicate le basadi ba bona, motho ska surprise and aska foster step. As a man, you don't force the by polygamy. So to communicate le motho wa le discuss until, because basadi ba bang, you must remember moneno wa batho o tlwaetse o ba mong ha isala tlwaela o ba mong ho wena. So for her or adjust or adumele or ho be le number 2, it won't be an easy thing. It won't be an easy thing. So gradually, so slowly, yes, until ngwana batho understand. Kona mantswa ka o qetela fela, and then ya o qetela ko lebo is true ka eng e mongare mponeng are is true a ke tselo re ba bua ka ntwe
kenana ba bua ka something that you have just said.
Yeah, so basadi ba bang banna ba ske ba foster basadi ba bona. Talk to your wife, at least mo prepare dula mfatshe. If a lokela o ya di counseling a lo dula mo thuse re qeteleng ya qetela a fihlelle staging sa we understand, not or o mo force o mo push or o tsotsa understand this type, because wena wa se batla wena o le monna o le ready, because runa banna since really ready for step.
Yes, ntate,
since really ready, but jal ka bo madimabi basadi bona ha ba soka bana ba ntse ba se ready for step. So that is why as a man you need to help your partner or Africa staging sa understand. But nazinzile Andres November na ke tlo ya step le qeting yeah ke mathela step njele ka motho mathela le bollo.
Viewers at home, it was nice having you. Lensele salibali he reneri etsa life enana ya ha o molahle ke eng re le monana Hide In Guest House emo Cairo o ka kena fela Google
motho re banene mo every Monday show yena
every Monday re ba temona Hide In, and the nicest part about this show o katla wa tlo ba part ya audience now. How the audience you can tell us go wena ho ba tlo tlhaga kapo ba tlo tlhaga, but you can come and join us and be part of this wonderful show. And Hide In a very good services, please ba tlo hlaisa the number tsa bona mo, you can call them and then book yourself a day spa kapa, or you can come for chilasili your friends. It's a very beautiful guest house, and service ya tembathong ke top top there.
Nice
it's a very nice place. Service ateng is very, 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 very good. Now viewers at home, please ukatla wa tlo relax, and then lentsele sa lebale he re teng happen next week Monday.
But mohlomong next week itla be ke fana ka bopaki
yo and the mohutu wena do sa di fastile o tla bo so tlisa bopaki
a ke re tshwantse ke fana ka bopaki gore ke thotse re buile basadi baka
o nana mago how shebe o nana
a ke re so bone kofi fela ntoma ke bone ntwentle ke bone ntwe tsentle fela
na phone ya ka itimile so ga gona ne se tlo ikreya. Yes, viewers at home.
Testimony. But what's about good with it? There's a lady who tanka polygamy into Facebook wa motseba.
Yeah.
I can't wait. O tla bole monne wa hao. Nna. Bas mosadi wa ka o ditsika ngena e mong. Mamkhula ditsika writing, mamngana ditsika lifting.
Ke ratile tsela o startile the statement ka ntle be ke le kae?
O le monne wa hao. O tsamaya. Le fara ka dipelo ka tsela. O tsamaya lo batla monna. And then so that kitse botla rana show
le basadi ba hao.
Because nna ke rana show le basadi ba ka. Mamngane o tla ba ditsika left, mamkhulu re qoqa.
Yes.
Ba qoqa ba re me and our husband
ba o kwatise tle ha o tsena o kwatile o bongile ba be ba ya life ba re moshebong o yang a kwatile
ke kwatile ke robetse kaka ke kwatile ba qoqa ba our husbands sometimes it's single patient.
Amare bophelo.
Now I'm a dreamer, and I don't stop to dream. Like I'm today, the right pick.
Monday
motivation. Like I'm a fighter. I know everything you get I struggle away it all. But I fight until get all. And I get all. One day, and I don't band out wait and see.
Little ratalinyalo
and a little batobadinyats. Little batobadinyats and na kabekisa le batho because basadi ba ka ba ithuba ka ba sa batle.
Okay. Hona le motoring for them to come atlo try a step ntate Moruti. Hona le age preference na. O thabela at least ho tloa age nyefe. O sa thewa haholo. Ka o thusa. Ke bona la o thusa. Ha re fane ka age ntate re fane ka age. 30. That right.
That's like communicate.
I can't remember what it's because they want to start calling you. Okay, for now that the Moruti hana age, give him a call. Yes, then maybe, but for now I cannot say age 18 or prefer age 18. No, I think the most important thing is maturity. Yeah.
The Women's of
the Women's League.
Women's League. Marikamo. Ki wase puntu nana. Machu nthere ha ibula mlomo. Utlwa re hopa.
Ona le motho o kgethetseng R21 to 38.
R21. Yena santsa le
class man. Class.
Ona le ni wache puntu lala. How museba u 40 years. Ntagale mbokoto mara ha ibua ka hanu puntu nanate pente puntu lulu. Batho bothola motho wa 20 something. Wa motsiba nkile ka kopana le yena o teng ngwana mo. O teng ngwana life mo. Yeah. Very matured.
Viewers at home, keep calling us here, and then next week re tatla ka bopaki. Thank you very much for having us. Bye. In your houses, in your homes. Re bile le show e monate le roba le monate, viewers at home.
Tatla ka bopaki.
Yes. Re tatla ka bopaki re lo sheba.
Le no batla.
Ke lo thusa wena.
Le no batla.
Ke lo thusa wena. Bana beso ntleng mara ke le utlwile ha le ka shebella show hantle like kan le tlo tseba ke eme kae ona nna go kileng ka bua ka tsa bophelo ba ka be ke amanyana and if you are in a relationship that doesn't stop you to find your soul mate ke mantswe a gago we say our relationship motshwana le koloi e senang registered yeah. So up until hona le motho registerang koloi, then we can say something. Viewers at home ki ame ao ha ibe mbusi ubo monate
uri karubetsa scam.
Viewers at home batho ba life batho ba shebile bana beso molaetsa o clear bye.